Hello and welcome to another InstaForex daily market analysis. For today, I decided to cover euro versus US dollar. I will speak about Bitcoin, dollar index, gold market, crude oil, and the NASDAQ 100. I will start the euro versus US dollar first. So what we have here, let's start from a weekly time frame. So we have here inside week. And this week there was a test reject of the last week high around 1.0900, and we kind of have a big selling tail from yesterday. So there is a chance, from my perspective, for the market to trade lower towards the 1.0800 mark in next period. So rejection of the previous 2-week high, a tail from yesterday around the important pivot level, and that we kind of shifted on the hourly time frame, and sellers are now in control. If we speak about Bitcoin, there was quite a big rejection last week of the key resistance around 72,000, and still my view is that there is a chance for the lower prices towards the 66,400, and then even eventually towards 60,000 mark. Speaking of the dollar index, we had another rejection of the 104.34 mark. This is quite a big support area, and for me, as long as the market is holding above the 104, there is a chance for a higher low and for the market to trade higher. So here we have a 105.11, and then we have a 105.50 mark to watch for like the upside objectives. On the gold market, we saw the big sell reversal last week, closed near the low, and we had like a 2-day rally at this point, but there is a chance that whole this structure is actually just corrective, and this is just more like a bear flag. So there will be potential, in case of the downside breakout to 2,340, there will be a chance for a potential bigger drop, even from my perspective, towards 2,327 or even 2,280 mark. On the crude oil, we can see that market is trying to break this multi-week consolidation. So we have a resistance at 80.60 mark, and if the market can break and hold, so far hourly is looking pretty constructive for the upside, but still we have the previous swing lows that can act like resistance around 81.40, so that can be the next upside objective intraday, but then we might see the supply around this level. And NASDAQ 100, from my perspective, we're pretty much an extended regime. So we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks in a row, 5 upside weeks in a row. And we can see there was a rejection. We have an inside consolidation. So hourly is kind of choppy at this point. So from my perspective, there is a chance for a bigger downside movement, at least towards the 18,600 mark or even 18,500 mark. That will be all for this InstaForex daily market analysis. Have a good trading day and speak to you soon.